studio apartment. So this is what you see when you first walk in, but this is where you are when you first walk in. So walking in, this is where you walk in, you know. This is the door. If you see this, it's because I don't know how I feel about peepholes. Like, they kind of give me the, I love them, I love to use them, but when they're not being used, I feel like, what can somebody see from the outside? So I covered it. This door is just, I think this is the water heater. So this is also where I keep my vacuum and mop and broom and dustpan. This is my school purse. I just came back from a lab, so that's why my lab coat is on it. Vibes. Alright, let's keep going. So then moving from the entryway into the rest of this apartment, we have my kitchen. Just a wall of kitchen. 2 eyes. People have a lot to say about only having 2 eyes, but I only use 2 eyes at a time on my face and on my stove. So once I start trying to cook on more than 3 eyes, things get a little bit weird. Suddenly things are burning that I didn't know could burn, and it's just not for me. So kind of taking a step back from the kitchen, we have this door. This door right here is the bathroom. Come see where I poop. Here's the bathroom. We have a toilet, a sink, the shower. So directly in front of, across from, next to, there's the kitchen, there's the living room, right? For those of you who may not know, this is student living, so it's not on-campus housing. Like, this is my own apartment, I pay rent every month, but it's tailored to students, it's super close to the school and things like that. Another thing is it comes furnished, so it came with this couch. It's so ugly. The material is like a gray plasticky thing. If you haven't seen it and you're curious, one of these corners, I'm gonna put it right now, a video that you could see it. If you're not new, you've seen it before, but if you're new, then you haven't. But this thing was ugly, so I got a couch cover off Amazon, some pillows. These are from my mommy's house, the big ones. These are from like Walmart or something. I don't know. This side of the living room is something that I enjoy looking at so much more than this side, which is crazy because I'm always looking at this side. This is a studio apartment, so obviously it's one big room. So this is a curtain that I've hung up. You can see through it. It's see-through. You can look and see what's on the other side. But what I like about it is that if you're not intentionally looking to see what's on the other side, your brain doesn't really focus on it enough to see it. You know, I just needed that kind of divide. Living in a space where I can see my bed and the kitchen at all times would have drove me absolutely insane. So even though technically I still can, it's a lot better. And then at night when I turn on my little lights, which you'll see, it's super cozy and it's a lot less see-through. Shifting from the living area, kitchen area, to the bedroom area. I sleep. I don't spend a lot of time over here. So under the TV, I have so many random things. Then above the TV, I have more miscellaneous things. I don't have a closet. These are actually all my clothes. I had a walk-in closet before this, and so I didn't believe it was possible to go from a walk-in closet and fit all my stuff in here, but I did. I actually apparently don't have that much stuff. This one is all winter sweaters, jackets, zip-ups, things like that. This little stack, long-sleeve t-shirts is what it is. But then, these are just all my pants, jeans. Above my pants, I have other bottoms, my skirts, and then in the back, I have shorts. So then over here, I have my favorite section, summer top section. So I have all of my small shirts right here. Those are all of my t-shirts. These are all my dresses. And then of course over here, towels, self-explanatory because I don't have a linen closet. This side needs a lot less explanation. It's just a bunch of shoes. Just shoes. Just shoes. my best, okay? I don't even have a cameraman. I'm trying to pretend like someone's filming this when it's fully a tripod. Excuse me, I should do a clickbait for this video.